I'm going to go to a shelter, a bunker, World War II bunker in Budapest, in the center of Budapest. So my friend's going to show me what was it like to be in a bunker or a shelter in World War II. So this is central Budapest. I can't give you the address because it's a secret location. So I'll show you what a bunker looked like or a shelter in World War II in Budapest, where the Germans, the Allies, the Russians came here. Half of Budapest was destroyed by the bombs, the artillery fire. So I'm going to show you the bunker or the shelter what it looked like in World War II. Okay guys, when we drop videos, press the like button. Bombing shelter, World War II shelter in Budapest. I'm going to show you, this is the main entrance. So this is like, you can see we like go through this. So the bunker for World War II, or shelter, wall shelter for the bombing. So very dark, spooky. So you can see. So you can see here, this is the bunker, World War II, a bit dark. So, people sleeping there, look. Nothing here. Yeah. Yeah, you can see old pictures, look. World War II stuff here. So here the people slept here and they get killed by the bombs from the Russians or from the Germans or from the Allies. Okay guys, love me, just press the like button. There's a proper there's more deep here as well, look. This stuff is. That's the minute outside of the building. So I reckon we're about 20 feet down. There you go. Okay, maybe some people here, maybe there's another entrance here. More down probably. Little tables. All this old stuff. Wow, more. Toilets. There's a bit of toilet here. Right, better toilets than today. Oh, there's another entrance. Okay. Look at that. You can see that. That's the. Tables. Shoes. Wow. Amazing place to come, guys. Very spiritual feelings here. I can feel something in my. It goes down more deeper. And this was all underneath Budapest. There's a secret location, I can't tell you the address, but if you did find it, it's an amazing place to come visit. So this is a shelter, World War II shelter, from the Russians and from the Germans. It just goes so long, it goes down, 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 down. So guys, remember, like my videos, press the like button. So thank you for watching my video. That's a bunker or shelter in Hungary against the bombing of the Germans or the Russians. Beautiful building. So this is the proper. Okay, that's it, bunker. Thank you for watching. That's a proper real shelter, real bunker from World War II. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Press like, subscribe to my channel.